are back for another year of Christmas Waiata battle for our whānau. This is our fourth one. It's 2-1 to the boys. We're coming back strong this year. But we also like to dress up. We've got 10 categories. Which are... I can find them. Well, you can explain what you're dressed up as while I find the categories.
Me and Pip got a type of...
Can I say?
Bring fires type inspiration right now. When Pip stands up, then you'll be able to see it better. Yeah, type stuff.
Okay, we'll show up.
Bring fires inspired outfit.
Oh, yeah.
It's a bit calm.
We got rugby clothes.
Knights. Blues.
Ugly.
We've also got Panthers. We're here for it.
New
NRL.
South Wales.
How no?
Categories for this year. We've changed them up because we don't... Last year's Christmas song was sucky. So we got Song of the Year, R&B, Top Rap, Hidden Gem, Kapahaka, Top Māori Artist, Top International, Top Party, Forgotten Banger, and then Country.
And don't forget about our category.
I just said the categories.
No, I mean when we
Scenarios.
give
No, we'll see how we go.
Scenarios.
Alright.
Always.
And how we do it is rock, scissors, paper to go first.
And I counted down, remember.
You and Pip.
Youngest first.
Let's go, my Pip. Rock,
What's the
scissors,
first
paper.
one? What's the first one first?
Oh, top
First category.
song.
First category.
Song of the year.
Oh yeah, we had to win, Pip, because apparently they got the same song as us. We had to win. Right, dead ass, we had to win. Come on, Pip, lock in, G. Lock in. Okay, here's the rule. 3, 2, 1, go. On go, you do it, okay? Ready? 3.
Wait, you two.
Yeah, he's got it. We got like that now.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Yes! Let's go put our song on, G. Oh, we even test the volume.
This is the first. Normally we win all the rock, scissors, paper.
The volume?
I don't see some good
Yeah, you're all good,
ones.
Go, my Pips.
Hold on, let me turn
Oh,
this up real quick.
whakaatero.
I just
Remember?
want a
Short amount
dream.
of song, eh?
You and I had to say goodbye. I know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized
Oh, nah.
wherever you go, that's where I'm from.
Bro, they're past the time limit.
Nobody, hold on, this is the best part. Tomorrow, I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the
Can't
last
see your
night.
head, Pips.
If the world was ending, I'd relate to you.
Alright, that's not enough. Thank you, my Pip. That was sitters. Kare. This is winning. He mea Māori. No Aotearoa. Toi te tiriti. E noho, Pips.
He Māori aha, ake.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Penalty! Penalty!
Look,
Penalty!
the remote's not even breaking, so that's how you know it wasn't us.
You can't do that. That's rude. Mana motu hake. Remember you were in that flag on the hikole? He toke toke.
It's a goodie hole.
Yeah.
He ware ware kware kwera wai koe.
He's even wearing a hat.
Mana he a matira.
Get ready.
Hey, ue. Kia huta mai ra e tue. Ora ia me ka pue.
Alright. Kapai. Although there was a penalty, we won that. Makere the favourite. Top R&B song.
This one's a...
You two, you guys can do it all, eh? Boxes, paper. Oh, you want to? You want to?
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
This never happens, Makere.
It's
It's okay, it's okay.
That's right.
Yeah, we'll listen to you first. We'll listen to you first.
Oh, Maki's got us. Yes, that
The
one.
boy's mine, the boy's mine, the boy's mine, the boy's mine,
The boys mine. Best R&B song. Because we've used all the others and there's no repeats,
Damn,
Sparko.
bro.
No repeats.
Nah, G, we've done like all the songs.
Oh look, they're scrambling. They're scrambling because they know how good this is. Ready, go, Maki? We got a big lead in. This is how you know it's old school R&B. You got the lead in. Familiar. Yeah, you do too. Do you know somebody's name? You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name.
I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No.
He's mine.
You need to give it up. Everybody love. It's not hard to see, but boy is mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me, but boy is mine.
Oh, that's what was in a minute, guys.
Oh.
This is us. We're just going straight
Alright.
Because we ain't key.
Oh, I see what you did there.
He changed it.
Good man. Good stuff. Clutch man. This man's always clutch
I see
now.
what you did. I see what you did. Do you know which?
Pick those.
Do you?
The world it moves so fast today. The past it seems so far away. And
I feel like
I'm so tired that I can't breathe. And every time I try to be what someone else so
What's the lyrics?
to achieve.
The
Deep in my heart,
The answer, it wasn't me. And I made it. I was going off brother. Alright, that's enough. Count it, brother. Count it, Peps.
1 minute too.
I was throwing mum off.
Okay, next category. Top rap. Ooh.
That's easy. That's easiest.
This could go wrong if
Ready?
we don't win this.
Ready, you two?
You need to win. You
Ready,
need
you
to
two?
win.
3,
You need to win.
2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
Damn it!
So,
Let us go first.
Yeah, so what's the song?
you guys go first.
Changes to part.
Oh shit.
Oh, you alright? Carpet boo.
Oh.
Song's on. Lucky you know the lyrics.
She doesn't need to. It's in her DNA. The song.
Lucky you never sing to that bunch.
Marketing, you mean?
Yeah! Based on video, we were doing it.
I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask
Everyone knows this song. If you don't know the song,
point, even work some black and
I
stomach
think we get some
looking for a person snatch. Cops give it to
based on the song, we
nigga,
won.
he's a hero.
Changes to part. Come on.
One less hungry mouth on the welfare. First ship 'em, don't let 'em deal with brothers. Give 'em guns, step back, watch 'em kill each other. It's almost like back, that's what you said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's
Bro, the only one that could maybe win is the one Carmody.
share with each other.
No, we've done it.
Making changes. Learn to see me as a brothers that are 2 distant strangers.
Well, you're not
And that's how it's supposed to be. I did it doesn't take a brother if he's close to me. I let it go back to
That's
the
a
place.
one
Can't
day.
change. That's the way it is. Come on.
That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same.
Now to.
Alright, new drink. 1 part Alizé, 1 part Cristal. Thug's passion, baby. Y'all know what time it is. This drink is guaranteed to get you pussy
What?
the big one.
Disappointed now.
I am
Glass and drink.
What are you on about?
I ain't trying to turn y'all niggas into alcoholics. I'm just trying to turn you into motherfucking thugs. So come get some of this thug passion, baby.
I could feel like they think we'll be good till it's relevant. But I'm a straight sober that I hope a nigga like a citizen tripping over their presidents. They got the tablets.
Oh, you didn't know that?
Get us headed so weapon instead. I've been thinking, drinking over a felony, telling me you have it.
disappointed in Bono. I'm
I'm
disappointed in last year's results, Bono.
You
know better.
Fucking hugging plenty of G's and laughing. I passed 2 times and all these bastards that be watching. Just keep it slang, and I'ma keep it the same. Partner, just take it a simple game. I can twinkle with rain twinkle. Diamonds and things
These are
compatible
old
enough to
school.
hold me
I don't want
to.
that.
Old and regular, these adversaries, they gon' have to be worried. Cause I'ma be ill and fulfilling my passion till I'm buried in my own passion.
And you got it going on. Give me some of your thug passion, baby. You got me dripping wet from the way you make me sweat. Give me some of your thug passion, baby.
Alright. Hit and Jim.
Ha! Easy.
Hit and Jim.
Easy.
We've got
So easy.
We've got it.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, them.
Alright. Let them go first.
No!
Yeah, they won't have it. Oh, they do. Oh, we'll go first.
Too late. Table card.
Is that who go first?
Nah, you guys said you
We'll
guys.
go first.
They didn't go
Hit
first.
and
I
Jim.
did it.
No, you let them go first and then we'll
You
decide.
guys can't just keep
Right, you
changing.
go first. Sorry.
Can't
Sorry.
keep changing,
Go,
guys.
you go first. Go.
That's all win. It's hidden for purpose. Make sure, unlike last year, your song's hidden, alright guys? Unlike last year, make sure it's hidden.
I don't know the one that we want. I know because I think he's actually more famous.
She said, take your time.
What's the rush?
I said, baby,
She said, take your time. What's the rush?
I said, baby, I'm the dog.
I'm a dog.
Alright, listen up. Let's meet Pets. You're going past the time limit.
No, I'll put all of them.
30 seconds.
No, you said
Hey! Oh, you're close.
there was a
You're
good
close.
part next to it.
Can you type in unaware to Wihi?
I'm aware to wiki. I'm aware.
Unaware.
Oh, I know.
Do you know how to spell it? I'm sorry.
You in? Oh my god.
Yeah.
No! What? No! That's not it! What? Disqualified.
How many people know this song?
Bro, I don't know
Why
what
to
it is.
Wihi?
Everyone in New
No,
Zealand
not
knows this
everyone
song.
knows.
Everyone in New Zealand knows this song.
No, they
So
don't.
now, everyone knows this song.
No,
Another
they
DQ.
don't. Believe Marky, they don't. You know the song Unaware, but you don't know the TV version.
It doesn't matter.
No, he just admitted it. He just admitted it.
It's different because of the artist.
It's not the artist.
It is
It's
artist.
a wild card.
Hidden Jim, Why to Wihi, Unaware.
Hidden Jim. No, hidden Jim is the wild card has to be
No,
hidden.
Why to Wihi.
That's the definition of hidden. That's the definition of hidden. Jim has to be unknowing.
Look, if you go on the morning shift, if you go on the morning shift, they can remix
If Jordan
it.
watches this,
Right.
I'm telling you right now, he will
Oh,
agree
you
with me.
just lost the battery because I won.
So not.
It is
No,
Wihi.
Mom, the artist is not. This is a DQ. Oh, we're going for a minute 24.
Modi ora, we won it.
Cheating again.
Right.
Again. And they're going to do the same as last year. No, that's hidden.
Alright, here's where it really is. Marky, you're going to win this game.
Baldy.
Kabaka.
No,
Come on, Marky, I believe in you.
dude.
I believe in you, girl. I'll give you the way, right? We know it, Marky.
We have to do it.
We have to win this one.
Please, trust me. I know they're going to do it.
Hey,
Okay.
front of the camera, sit down,
Sit down, sit down.
Yep, on your
1, 2, 3, go.
We got it on YouTube, so if you need to. Bro, I'm gonna knock you out.
Think.
Play it, Pip, hurry up.
Oh,
He played it!
No,
He
no,
played
no,
it!
no,
He
no,
played
no.
it! Yes, he played it!
What about the intro she did?
Don't push it!
No, you the intro she did. I did the intro.
Oh, you pushed that one.
Don't touch it. Don't.
Christmas was great.
You need to tune it up. Bro, you just pushed it. You guys are loving it, hey?
Marketing, mate. You're selling us. So much better.
We played you so made this made up one.
No, I know the doggies are hippie.
You know which one.
We should just done one. Nah. I would have won with one. Okay. I know what they're gonna do. If they do my song, we sing.
Yeah, I need to do that one.
Yeah, but I still feel like my old one is Hey, we didn't play the whole song. We gotta do the main part.
Oh, how far into it?
1 second.
What was that?
2 minutes, 41 seconds.
Oh.
Oh, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Yeah, 1 minute.
This is Tehariya Palinagi. Regional Palinagi Pala. The whole song. Okay, top Māori artist, and for that, there's Toho. Wait on, there's Toho. It has to be a real Māori waiata.
Top Māori.
How low?
What?
Oh my god, I can't
Say a
get
Māori
there.
song. That's all you gotta say, a
Alright.
Māori song.
Okay, Māori song, but
Three.
artist.
3, 2, 1. All good. You're on the fifth. You're
Did that on purpose.
not even beating us anyways.
We're gonna do Taku Awa by Stan Walker. So mark it in. Oh, Pim had to step back because he's singing. Hey, he's doing the
Hey,
live.
Bobby.
You see what? Yeah. Come so that we can see you. We still have live singers.
Oh, yeah.
This first live one.
Guess who didn't go?
What is the beat? What is it? Yep, 1 minute.
No, you're in college.
That one's still better.
So the top Māori artist was Stan Walker. That's who we chose.
That's not how we do. Mum,
It says top Māori artist.
the reason of Hawks medal is the white.
He does
What it's called
not.
the Hawks for.
Top Māori artist, top Māori song.
It's called the Hawks medal, not the artist medal.
No, it is. That's the
Hawks
category.
medal.
You agreed. Cheating again. Cheating again. Oh, the next one's gonna be good.
I keep
What's that other song you sang about? It's really good. With Nancy Manapul. Alright, I'm ready to do this over. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna edit it. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Go.
What's
the next category, guys?
International!
We got this in
We
the
got
bag.
this! We got this!
People, you have to win, G. This is my case.
Lee
Actually, do one of
Young
them.
G. Young G.
Let's
Leon
go.
G. They go Leon G.
Man,
Tas. Oh, you guys. Tas. Pussy.
Oh,
Tai.
snaps.
Rua. Toru. Go.
Yeah.
Who's first? Who's first?
No.
Who's first?
Us, obviously.
Which one do you want to do? We've got three. We've got the French,
Is that it?
the Korean,
They got a French, they got a Korean.
Ireland. Can you please type in my wish for you?
Oh, we can't do that. International.
It's not
I'm
international.
weird to chat about
That's
this.
not international.
Is it not?
No, we, because I have
Alright,
can't do
can
that.
you type in Smoke Lee Young G?
No.
Oh, good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I
Alright,
said
why
shut
don't you
up.
Oh,
I'm
actually,
silent.
if it's that, yeah, if it's a different name, G.
Is it different?
No, let them play it, P. Let them play it.
My wish for you, innocent warrior.
Ah, that counts.
Good
I
girl
know it's one of
backing
them.
yourself up. Can you come into the screen, girlfriend?
Oh, this on. Oh, I thought you mean.
Yeah, pretty much. Then show your back to the screen.
One or two.
They still don't got this.
We do.
It's 52 seconds this whole one.
Yeah,
Enjoy. Oh, you want to copy us the one? Okay.
What do you mean?
No,
We're
it's
playing
just
one.
rolling. It's just rolling.
It's rolling.
Okay. I didn't know.
Why are you being a Fiji?
Why are you being that upset?
Right, that's
Pero
us.
como pero. Pero como pero.
Yeah! Any reruns now, wait, Pete. Any reruns now. Any reruns now.
Do you want to hear my new French one?
Nah.
Oh, whoa. That's not too tall.
Yeah, let's go, come on.
No, don't go for me. No. Whoa.
Yeah, see, look, we got one thing. Yeah, which one was fun?
Whoa!
Penalty plates. We don't, when they go low, we go high. We don't go drop to their level.
Wow!
Guys are so sensitive. You're like, but you changed it too.
Alright, just quickly, let's only done 5 minutes. Next one is top party.
Oh, we got this. We got this. Yes, we do.
Now,
Okay.
I better have heard this at a party. This better be a proper party song.
No, you don't have to.
It's a party
Alright,
song.
ready? 3, 2, 1.
We're going
You're going
first.
first.
We're going
You're going first. You're
No,
going.
we're going
No,
first.
they're gonna go first.
We're going first.
They're going.
Guys, can you guys please come to a final
Lucky.
decision?
We can go.
No.
Yes.
No, we want to see theirs first because then we can change it. Go, you go first.
Okay, Pete. I didn't remember.
You don't want zero? You don't
That's
want
that
zero
God.
problems, big fella.
This is your party song.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get
One more label try to stop me. It's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in lobby. You don't want no problem with no problem with me. You don't want no problem with no problem with me. Just another day, had to pick up on the mail. If I'm trying to ride and put it in I can't go. You don't want no problem with no problem with me. You don't want no problem with no problem with me. Just another day, had to pick up on the mail. If I'm trying to ride and put it in like can't go. Gonna run the bridges in the air. Counting bitches while we meet and make them shake my other hand. Lily Rocky scooping all the blessings of my life. Bitch, I know
This
you
is how it goes, Monday.
Hey, we have to cut this out.
what you would think I love. Not me.
Alright, right, it's been on too long.
I'm at your head like crap.
Bro. Are we gonna go with that one, Mikey?
Yeah.
Switch by Will Smith.
What?
Yeah, we went party.
Yo, mic check, mic check. Yeah, here you go. Oh, no, he over here. Yeah, I heard he got that hot new thing. It's called. Let's get it going.
Yeah, lift the weight away.
Girl on the floor.
Alright, we gotta stop it. That was terrible. It's Forgotten Bangers.
Oh, this is us.
No. We've got
It's them going first too.
That's fine.
Because we done.
No, remember, play the game, girl. You've got to sell it. You've got to sell
So
it.
easy. This is such an easy one for us.
Is it a replay?
Who is it now? Me and Mark and Pip?
Me, Martin.
Are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, delay. 3, 2, 1, go. Damn it.
Are we going first? We're going to let them go. Go on then, boys.
Yeah, don't cry when you see our song.
That's not a Forgotten Banger.
Have you
That's
ever
not a
heard
Forgotten Banger.
So
So I've heard
listen,
other people
can I
play the
answer?
song. Actually, Morning Shift played the song.
Wow.
Morning shift, no, we basically morning shift before.
Sorry, I know other people
Especially
play
with that
it.
unweird.
I know people that play it all the time.
With her eyes, with her smile, with her back, with her hands, with her
That's
mind.
right.
You have not played that
Pieces
in
of her
years.
prayers. Her nieces and her nephews are just pieces of the layers. Only one she loved as much as me is Jesus
Yes,
Christ.
I know for God. I don't even remember
I
the
hear the
lyrics.
future, so I'm singing for my grandma. You sing it too, but your
Grandma
grandma
ain't
ain't
my
my
grandma.
grandma.
You don't even know the lyrics.
Handmade, pan fried, sun dried, south side. Can't beat the double by landslide. Praying with her hands tied. Putting it on my fan club. Saying talk. Something told me I should bring my husband.
Slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you on my Sunday. Get up slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for this whole week. I've been waiting.
Right. Mikey, what's that song? Oh, yeah. I'm yours.
I'm yours.
Who sings it?
This one. The green.
Honestly, these are all the mum's chat.
It's not it.
This is all mum's chat.
Oh.
It's a Forgotten Banger. It is. Don't even lie to me.
Oh, this is a good.
No.
You know it. Wait on. How do I turn my light on?
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks.
Mikey, you got this one on.
Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my
Wait, I'm
best.
gonna wait till the
Nothing's
chorus
gonna
ends.
stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn
Pigs.
to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
We won that one. Mariota.
Country.
Almost there. This is the
Country.
last one.
Second to last.
Last one.
Second to last.
Last one, country.
The anthem, wasn't it? Let's get Mark in the show.
I don't like country.
3,
We
2,
found this
1, go.
Matele,
We've
pupui.
already done it though.
Yeah,
3,
it's the last
2,
one.
1, go.
What about the song? It's too obvious.
Country
almost-
road, take me home.
Alright, go then.
Do that. I don't know the
Are you
lyrics.
going through this or?
Hey, brother, you said you wanted to go cruise.
I don't know the lyrics. I only know country road. That's right.
It's not paid.
Country road.
That's not the remote, please, the piece one.
That should be right.
What one is it again?
Welcome.
I thought you would have come stronger with country.
One or two, but this brother one test.
Okay, fair enough. This is still a good song.
Used to spend my nights out in the ballroom.
Oh, babes. While they sing it.
Liquor was the only love I know.
Should we just go?
But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back to the edge too far gone. Oh, that's smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy.
Ready or die? I need
What
your
are you
phone,
gonna
please. My phone.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys know this one.
Oh no. Ah, that's right.
In case you didn't know, Molly live version. It's country.
Can't count the times I'm sick on my
Yeah,
mind when I did it.
I can play you another version of it.
Just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd said, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been running. Oh, so it goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you, even though.
Alright. Are we gonna do scenarios?
Yeah.
Or should we do one scenario that we share and then we have to come up with a song?
That's not how it goes, dude.
Oh, how do you want to do it then?
One each like usual. The usual.
Alright,
That's good.
Maki, let's go. No, it has to be like crazy. So like,
What are you doing in there? Clown's coming.
you're in the shower and you see a spider.
A
A big one.
big clown.
We got this.
What are you gonna do if there's drugs?
What?
Alright, so we. Maki's gonna say.
Well, you gotta play a song. So basically, when you're in the shower, and you see a tarantula, what do you do?
Triantula.
What song are you gonna
A big
sing?
hairy spider.
Oh, nah.
You're in
Nah,
the
I got it.
shower and you see a big hairy spider.
From Australia.
Like a huntsman.
Wait,
Wait, you can't. You gotta give us out. What the
Ready,
heck?
ready? Your friend's in a coma. What song would you play?
Oh my god! I got this!
What?
No, what song she can do?
No.
Hey. Hey. No, come on.
Okay.
What were you thinking, Bess?
Sorry, guys.
Like a sad song.
Oh.
Oh.
We gotta do.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I'm driving.
I reckon we do the wake up. Just to be funny.
Okay, guys, we don't mean this, but we're gonna do.
Yeah, we're just trying to be funny.
Funny. We're trying to be funny, guys. We're trying to be funny. This is an ad for the beautiful Hui bottles. This does not include, but it's fine. This is what you can put on it, like any keychain you want. It is green,
2 liters.
brown, and I don't know what else.
2 liters. 2 liters of water.
2 liters of water. This is what it's behind. It is Te Reo Maui. But it will be, this one is very popular, so it gets sold out all the time. And
So-
lucky for us, we got 2.
Wait.
And
for
£2.
Wait for the next drop.
Wait for the next drop.
Get
Okay.
in quick, Whānau.
Okay, reset. Welcome to an ad to a Hui bottle. This does not include, but it's alright. 2 litre drink bottle, Te Reo Māori Hui bottle. There is 2 colours that I know, brown and green. This one's very popular, so it's gonna sold out. And I don't know what's the next part to say, so here's the other girl that was saying that.
We'll do another drop next year. But you've missed out on this one so far.
So this is an ad to your...
Get
This is
your
no, restart. This is an ad to your whānau. Peace out. Okay, back to the video.
I'll edit it. So scenarios. We got given our friends in a coma. What song would
Wait,
we
no, we
play?
don't want to go first. We don't want to go first. We don't
Okay,
want
this
to
is what? 3, 2, 1, go. You first.
Our friends in a coma. Sit down, like you say, bring can see you.
Right now. I'm
I
sorry.
already know what the song is. Like, I came up with it as soon as I thought of it. Yeah, we all know the one.
Hetty.
We're just trying to be funny. That's mine. Can we go to the pub right now? Wake up, wake up, get up, get up, get out of bed. Wake up, get up, get up, get out of bed. Wake up.
Hey, wait up for the scenario, dummy.
Wait, stop.
Yeah, that's the song. Say the scenario, say it first. What's
The
that?
scenario is you're in the shower and you see a big hairy spider.
That will not be
Go, my
picture.
patient. I feel like this should get some points. What the heck? Go, Melon.
Down,
Okay, the rain and wash the spider out.
Real Māori.
I'm 19. Yeah, well, that's it.
Toi. So what happens now is Tawhiri and I are going to share this on our social media platforms. And then we're going to, once we know the result, we're going to post this whole video. So the winners will be here. 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 On this side of the screen.
Yeah, this side. Cut this out.
2-1 still. It's still 2-1.
Surprise! We won. We're 2024 winners. Were you expecting the boys? No, because you have great taste. And you know, it's been a long time coming for us to do one of these winning videos. Hey Mama Kiri, do you have any special words of we won?
Thank you to all those people who voted for us.
Yes, we know who each and every single one of you were. Actually, this is the first year we've had this many voters. I think we had over 200 people vote for each waiapa, which is like amazing. And you have great taste. I just can't believe it. Like last year was a little bit
Unfair.
I'm worried about everyone's taste, but this year you came through, and next year is the tiebreaker. It's now 2-2. We're going to have some new things up our sleeves, like we're allowed a repeat category and maybe a dollar friend. But yeah, big mihi to you all.
There's more coming. All she said is just nothing. There's more coming.
Yeah, and you know, we can now see out the year as we were winners.
We're winners.
Winners. Muri ora.
Where's the title?
Ka kite.
Bye.
Ngā mihi o te wā.